Everyone wants to make easy money in a legitimate method, but they can't seem to find the correct technique to do it. Today I'll show you how to generate money online in the simplest method possible. These methods are legitimate and not a scam. I have personally tested them and can say that they pay quite well. Welcome to the Gadget Light portal. Allow me to give you a sneak peek at what we will be learning in the next minute. I'm going to tell you how to earn money easily without any fuss. These are genuine way to earn money without any hassle. There's no string attached, there's no referral links, or it's benefit me anyhow. I'm also going to tell you how to use these ways to execute, succeed, and double your earning with it. Affiliate marketing is the most famous or popular term in making money online. It can help you to generate huge income in no time. The best part of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't have any limitations, so that you can earn as much as you want. Those who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, let me tell you, it works in simple formula. You post your affiliated link, the buyer buys it from that link, and you earn a percentage of revenue on that item sold. It can be anywhere from 10 to 80%. Now let's come to the tricky part, how to do it. Well, there are plenty of opportunity, but you should focus on two biggest e-commerce websites worldwide. One is Aliexpress and second is Amazon. You couldn't ask for the better timing than this, because Aliexpress biggest sale is just around the corner. That will take place on 11th of November, and Amazon Black Friday sale will take place on 26th of November. Those are the biggest sale that happens worldwide in the month of November every year. Everyone knows about Amazon, while Aliexpress is the biggest e-commerce website based in China in terms of sales worldwide. It's even provide products cheaper than the Amazon and deliver products all over the world. What you have to do is go to Aliexpress and Amazon affiliate sites and register yourself from the link given below and wait for the 11th of November and Black Friday sale. Let me show you an example of how much I earned from a 11.11 Aliexpress sale. Yes, Aliexpress deducts its fixed $15 charges on every withdrawal, and this sale revenue is from a single day sale that taken place on 11th of November. So the one question which is mostly asked, how to promote or get sales? Well, the easy method to get sale is to promote on different social sites like Facebook groups, Reddit community, etc. How about making money while working or sleeping, basically doing everything else but not thinking or making any effort for making money? Sound fun, right? Yes, that is possible with Honeygain app. Honeygain app simply allows its users to make money online by sharing their internet connection. You don't have to worry, Honeygain does not collect your personal data or store it on their servers. It is 100% secure to use. However, this app doesn't make you rich, but you can earn a good income of about $100 to $150 based upon your capability. Bonus part: add many smartphones with this app and use the home Wi-Fi network to boost your earning. Bitcoin is the future, and so is Bitcoin mining. However, the term Bitcoin mining does not mean that Bitcoin should be extracted from the soil. It simply means if you are a student and have a gaming laptop with good graphic card, you can earn easily up to $5 a day and making $150 to $200 per month. So what's the process of making money? There are tons of Bitcoin mining software available on Google search, but NiceHash isn't popular Bitcoin mining software, and the best part is that you can check out the profit share based on GPU and CPU models. Higher the graphic card, higher the profit you will generate. Print on demand is the most popular way to earn money online. Print on demand allows sellers to customize white label product like t-shirt with their own design and sell them only after a customer buy. So you don't need to set up shops or storehouses or anything else. And the major thing is that you don't need to invest single penny on it, because all these thing is done with just one click. All you need to do is put your design or art on a craft, that's it. So how to do it? Well, the answer is simple. You can use a free platform like Redbubble. All you need to do is make an account, upload your design and sell it. If you want to maximize your profit, you can also use Etsy and Merch by Amazon. You can get ton of videos on how to start print on demand in various YouTube videos. Well, this is the most profitable business online that can generate huge amount of money for you if you do it right. It is the last thing on our list. I know you must be thinking, why YouTube? As it is very hard to reach 4000 views or 1000 subscribers for monetizing the channel. It isn't easy, man, I know. But let me tell you, it's far more easy than creating a blogger website, because for the first you need to buy a domain, then the hosting, and then write many articles and wait for Google to fetch your website. But on YouTube, you get all this for free and get more views instantly. Here I'm not talking about monetizing the channel to earn the money. It is well and good if you have monetized channel, but I am talking about second aspect of earning resources on YouTube, and that is sponsorship. It doesn't matter for a sponsor if your channel is monetized or not. The key is your potential and your niche. As you can see, I'm not a big YouTuber, but I got a sponsorship of more than $1,500. So if I can achieve this, so you can too. Let's talk about how to do it. Well, with perfect planning, you can achieve set target. Focus on keyword related to your niche with Keywordio. Find those keywords and start making videos on it. Now go to Keywordio, click on YouTube and search your keyword. For example, Amazon product. Now click on search. It will generate many keywords that currently users are searching on YouTube. Now you can see there's a more than 700 keywords. So select a keyword which you like it and wanna make a video on it, like Amazon garden product, Amazon gift product, gold product, and cover all these products in one video. That's it. Bonus, you are just looking at the wrong place if you are searching on YouTube about better ways or ideas on how to earn money, because in YouTube it benefits creator more than the viewers. The viewers are like this man trying to attract money making ideas on YouTube. So my advice will be to look into Reddit beer money community, where you get ton of money making ideas and program. All the links given below in the description box. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, do subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.